Big girl. Raman, if you don't mind me telling you, where are you, man? Batman, don't do that to me again. I'm saying that your jokes individually are fabulous, but you just need a thread. You guys agree with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, individually they're nice. They're nuggets there. You might need a thread, and maybe you could be nice and actually hang with the comics for a bit and figure it out. In case you don't have internet wherever you live, because you can always look up some great comics online. All right, don't copy their jokes. That's all. That's the only thing I ask of you. All right, our next comic for tonight, ladies and gentlemen, is so good looking. Okay. And I'm really glad that he's back finally on Comedy on the Big Mic. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome. I have a feeling he has a huge posse of people going to cheer him because he's going to emerge from that corner. I have sufficiently embarrassed him. And his name is Kaizad Bawa! M. Jones. I told you screaming women come along. Give him a huge hand, please. Come on.
I'm gonna sit a little high. Cheering for me is like saving the tiger, the minority. I was scared about this show. The parking charges scary in Bandra, but okay, I'm here now. Rohini looks sexy in red lipstick, always nice. Thank you everyone for being so supportive. Nice. Um, you know that one odd moment when you decide to give an octopus a blowjob? Let me explain. Okay. So I went to Korea recently, right? And they have this. It's a beautiful country. Women have no moral compass whatsoever. It's so beautiful. And they all speak a language that just sounds sexy as hell. They go, now here's the thing. They have this dish. Okay, now here's the thing. An octopus has no dick. I shit you not. It has no dick. Now, the way a male octopus gets a female octopus pregnant is it puts a tentacle filled with sperm into its vagina. I mean, the female's vagina, obviously. And it fists it. So, some of you are aware of what I'm talking right now. Yeah, London Olympics? I don't think so. No. So, here's what happens, right? It fists the shit out of it, and then, it gets it pregnant. I decided to eat that. And now, obviously, I was confused. It was a strange moment. I mean, what's the social etiquette to eating an octopus stick? I mean, do I swallow? Do I take it all over my face? I'm gonna take my shirt off. I was confused. I mean, no, here's the thing with an octopus dick. What if I don't like it? Now, here's the embarrassment. What if I like it? Do I want to be that guy who likes sucking an octopus off? I mean, maybe, it might be tasty, but there isn't anything in the world that might taste as good as that. Or that might taste like it. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's as used. It confuses me. Things like this make no sense. Like Harman Bareja's acting skills, or Salman Khan having dogs in his house, or Pomeranian dogs, or Parsi sleeping with their siblings, or the Pope having a 14-inch dick. It doesn't make sense. I'm sorry, I crack so many Christian jokes. Shit. Okay, now here's something else. Since we're talking about the Pope right now. And I always hope for a Brazilian Pope somehow, I think it might get more people to the church that way. It might have the nuns in hot sexy thongs and everything. See, here's the thing. Oh fuck it, I'm gonna talk about porn. Let's do that. Here's the thing. I was watching porn the other day, okay? And you have hard porn, you have soft porn, and they call it soft porn because it doesn't get you hard. Here's the thing, okay? So I was watching some porn, and I'm a sick fucker, okay? So I googled Indian porn. Indians can't make porn. Okay, the first Indian porno video ever was called Picnic. Don't have any expectations. Fat Mallu guy, fat Mallu woman, skinny fucking guy, threesome. Awfully colorful clothes, lots of body fat, rolling in grass, half a boob. Not worth it. Now here's the thing, Indians can't make porn. We've got hair. And we're really not that attractive. I mean, the only six-pack I know is beer. I mean, I claim to know I had a six-pack, I had a girlfriend, bullshit. But white people can make porn. I like white people. I studied in California. White people make the most amazing porn. White superheroes, I was sick. I watched Iron Man and I was like, you know what, fuck this shit. I want to watch Iron Man fucking Batwoman. So I googled it. I found the video. It was awesome. Jenna Jameson that took. I was like, yes, bitch, get done. Indian superheroes can't make porn. Who are you gonna? Shaktiman? Fuck, you gonna spin around? What do you have, Ra one fucking to someone, he can't even go down on a girl. He's like, headgear, fuck, headgear. And I was like, okay, maybe, maybe I'm being discriminated. Maybe old people can have sex better. And I'm Baba, so I was like, how would like an old Baba guy have sex? Like someday I will get old, and Babas live to be ancient. That's how it goes. So my grandfather still has Viagra to keep his shoes dry when he's peeing. But like my grandmother died of Viagra abuse. Like my grandfather with her in a room for 6 hours. Fuck, dude. She died of a smile, but okay. But it's there. I mean, they're doing each other. It's like, oh, sorry, it would be disturbing. I mean, fuck this. This mic stop working.
Sometimes.
Aww. Can I go on?